General cargo ship disabled in Firth of Forth. General cargo ship Patron went nuke at around 0040 April 19 in Firth of Forth, UK, en route from Tarragona, Spain to Rosyth UK. As of 0200 two tugs were approaching disabled Patron. Taken on tow at around 0215 General cargo ship Patron, IMO 9,376,464, DWT 6500, built 2008, flag Netherlands, manager FOCUS SHIPMANAGEMENT BV.